Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As usual, I have for you another trash to treasure, and as usual it's something my daughter and I found in the dumpster. If you know already, sorry for repeating myself, but this is for those who may be new. My daughter and I are dumpster divers. We are dumpster chicks. Our channel is linked in the description box. And we find treasures that are really worth getting a new chance in life and going to a forever home instead of the landfill. One of the things we found at the dumpster, it was from Burlington's, was this lampshade that has the you know, the metallic part where you insert the bulb missing. So I thought, what can I do with it? Because I was not going to let it go. As you can see, I've already started working on it. First, what I did was to cut a circle of white foam from the Dollar Tree. And here you have it. And I'm going to use it as the bottom of this piece that is going to be a container. I'm not going to glue it because I'm going to use it myself. If I were going to donate it, because we donate a lot of things, I would seal it. But I know what I'm going to place inside. It's nothing that is going to be heavy, so I'm not gluing it. Then, let me turn this around. I wanted to add some kind of shabby chic vintage sign on the front. So I found this beautiful image on internet. It has another part that I saved to show you how I adhered it. This goes here, and I'm going to show you how I glue it. How I printed it, I used tissue paper. What you have to do when you're going to print on tissue paper, you find a regular, maybe cardstock, maybe a regular paper. I prefer cardstock. And you adhere the borders. It's better to start by one border, the top in this case, because if you have adhesive all around, then you have the problem that this part is adhering and this part is not. It's not perfect. So I always add the adhesive to the border, the top border, and then I add the adhesive. I use these rollers all around. And then I adhere the rest of the tissue paper. I think there is glue here. And then at the bottom, hope I'm in frame, almost. So once you have this in place, you have to be really careful. Very slowly you position your tissue paper, and you get, sorry, I have some of the ribbon that you see here. I have it down here to show you later. It's going to go in this border, and it's already it has already the adhesive on top, so it's getting adhered to everything I move. Once you have your tissue paper adhered to the page, you cut the excess and you can feed it into your computer, into your printer, sorry, and you get the image you want. Then you just have to cut it all around, and that's it. How to glue it? Well, people use Mod Podge. I don't have Mod Podge. I don't use Mod Podge. I use regular Elmer's skull glue, skull glue. And let me use this same paper. Very carefully. This ribbon is bothering me. You will see it in a minute. Because this is very delicate, you start adding the glue from the center to the borders, and then you place it where you want it to be. In this case, it's going to be here. Again, go from the center to the borders, so you eliminate any bubble, any folding, and there you have it. It's better, you don't need to do this, but it's better if you also add some glue or Mod Podge if you're using Mod Podge. Mod Podge? I never know how to pronounce it. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Here it needs a little bit, you see? Yes. And then you can be sure that this is completely glued to the bottom, to the background. And now I'm going to add the last detail, which is the ribbon on top. Unfortunately, I don't have pieces of ribbon long enough to go all around, so I had to add some pieces. You know, the one on the front ends here and here, so I added another piece here, and the same is going to happen with the top one. So, as I told you, I already have it with the adhesive on. Adhesive. That's another word I have problems with. So, let me start. I made a mark here. So, I know I have to start here. This is really simple, quick and easy, and we saved this beautiful lampshade. I love the texture of the fabric, the material they use for it, and also the color, because it's not completely white, so I thought it was perfect for this kind of image, you know. So okay, I have this one, and now I have another piece that is going to be here, and I'll show you that the only thing I do is add the same kind of adhesive, double-sided tape runner, and you don't need to do the whole thing, especially when it's such a short piece. I'm going to cut off this piece that is folded, and I'm going to adhere this to finish the side, the top border. As you can see, it takes just minutes, and you get a beautiful, beautiful piece of the core. And now it's time to fill it with something. Well, I hope you like this idea. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you to the hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels linked in the description box and watch the videos in the playlist. Thank you so much to all of you for watching my videos. Hope to see you in the next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.